So welcome back. Today's word is going to be tęsknić, means to miss. And to miss in this case doesn't mean to miss the train or to miss the bus. It means to miss someone or something. So it's a feeling rather than missing, I don't know, a car or something is missing. Is missing. No, it's just like a feeling or a longing. Okay. So the conjugation is going to be the same as kupić, lubić, mówić if you have seen these videos. If not, all you have to do is remove the C and add the usual ending. For example, the present you add L, ja tęsknię, ty tęsknisz, tęskni, tęsknimy, tęsknicie, tęsknią. For the past, I've talked about this many times, you remove the C and add wem, wam, wesh, wash, eł, wa, wo. Of course, depending on the group. I'm just going fast now. Liśmy, łyśmy, liście, wyście, li, wy. So, it's obvious. However, in the past, I'd like you to focus on the third group of the singular and the third group of the plural. Why? Because they're going to be used in the future and in the conditional. So, in the future, all you have to do is put będę, będziesz, będzie, będziemy. It means that I will be. So, once you said I will be, or you will be, or he will be, or she will be, or whatever, or they will be, you have indicated the person. And then once you indicate the person, you are going to have to say the verb. So the verb is taken from the past, from the third group, third person of the past. So if you're saying I will be missing you, or I will miss you, and you are a female, you would say ja będę, I will be tęskniła za tobą. Ja będę tęskniła. So you use the female version, the female word, okay? If you're a male, or if you are telling a male that you will be missing someone, you will be missing me, będziesz tęsknił za mną. But let's just focus now on the tęsknił part. Będziesz tęsknił, okay? If she was a girl and I'm telling her that you will miss me, będziesz tęskniła. And so on. So the same rule applies everywhere. However, keep in mind that in the plural you use the plural third person of the past. So it's obvious. The same for the conditional. I have 3 videos explaining conditional. You can go back and see them. I'm gonna put the links here. So tęskniłbym, tęskniłabym, like the same. You use the third person of the past, and then you put in front of them bym, byś, by, byśmy, byście, by, depending on the situation. And then the imperative, as usual. We either don't add anything, like we either remove the endings, or we add this J here, the y, tęskni, just to make it sound like an order. I don't know how you can order someone to miss someone, because I don't think it works like that, but they exist and you might see them, I don't know, in some weird stories or something absurd, but it's good to know what might come to you, okay? And the gerund is tęsknienie, is the name, so like the longing, tęsknienie, or the missing, the longing, or yeah, it's better to say the longing in English. Okay, so stęsknić się, it's the same, however it's the perfective aspect. Remember the imperfective and the perfective. The imperfective is continuous, so you have present, past, future. However, in the perfective you don't have the present, so it's only future, past. And it actually makes sense, because this is perfective means abrupt, that something happens or will happen, but for sure, like it's surely gonna happen. Imperfective, it's continuous, it's still on the process. However, we're not sure what's gonna happen next, okay? And it makes sense that there's no present here, because you cannot have a perfect present. I mean, you don't know, like in the present it's just like continuous. You cannot just have an abrupt. However, you can say that you can have an abrupt past or future. So I guess you understand. However, I would like to explain what się means, because whenever you use stęsknić się, like it's the same verb, all you have to do is add s at the beginning. You have to use the się with it, because this is how it is. So się means, for example, I'm going to give you the word to use other verb to explain. what się means. For example, ucz się or uczyć się, or uczyć without się. So uczyć się means to learn. Uczyć without the się means to teach. So się means self, or to refer to self. Okay, so I guess you get it. I hope you. I'm gonna talk about it, of course, for sure in other videos. Okay, so whenever you use tęsknić, you add się. So here I didn't put it because it's gonna take a lot of place. But yeah, so stęsknić, it's the same. Like this word, this verb is the same conjugation as this verb. So I'm not gonna go over it again. However, I want to add something to this, some tip. That whenever you use these verbs, you can say, you should add after them za or nothing, or if you want to add something, it has to be za. So for example, if I'm saying I miss you, tęskniłem or tęsknię za tobą, it means I miss you, tobą, tobie, tobą. I hope you know these. If you don't, I'm gonna try someday to make a video to explain them, but I hope you do know. And if you don't, it's not a problem. There's so many other things to learn. And then just memorize what I'm telling you. And then if you're saying that you will miss me, you would say, or you will be missing me, you would say będziesz tęsknił za mną. Okay, so use the za after it. This is the rule. Or in this case, you can just use stęskniłem się. You write stęskniłem and then you add się. It means just because there is się here, it means that you are missing. That you are explaining that you are in this feeling or the bad feeling that you are missing the someone that you are talking to. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood. And if you didn't, or you have any questions, just write in the comment. Or if you have any suggestion, write in the comments. And thank you. See you.